This is handguard fitment for the EMF200. The handguard on the EMF200 is a mil-spec fitment. The barrel nut underneath handguard, the barrel nut threads underneath handguard are AR mil-spec. So we can replace the handguard with any conventional real steel handguard. In this case here, we're going to replace it with the shorter EMC handguard. The first thing we're going to do is remove the barrel. Just remove that from the body. Place that to one side. And we need a hex key to loosen the two screws in the bottom of the handguard. Slacken off both of those screws. And we can slide the handguard off the barrel nut. This is the barrel nut. I'll show you that this is standard fitment. Can just be removed from the front of the body. If you were going to be replacing the EMF200 handguard with a different brand or make of handguard, you'd ideally want to swap off the EMF barrel nut. So we'll do that anyway, show you how that works. So take off the barrel nut and we'll take our short handguard. Obviously, if you're just swapping between the short and the long, or the long and the short EMF200 handguard, you wouldn't have to change over the barrel nut, but we'll do it just to demonstrate in this case. So, barrel nut, this handguard is inside handguard. Same as before, we'll just slacken off the two screws there. Take out your new barrel nut, screw that onto your EMF200 body, tighten that down, and you can attach your new handguard, tighten down the two titanium screws, snug those down nice and tightly so the handguard doesn't move around once you attach some fitments. Then you can reattach the barrel. And that is changing or replacing the handguard on an EMF200.